Hello everyone, my name is Ghost, and today we're gonna be looking at the build I did with the base Monsgeek MG75 W. This is honestly a very beautiful and simple base. It's a very good and affordable option for your custom keyboard. This base comes with a USB wireless connector and a cable. The only less positive point I would say is it does not have LEDs, so no backlight for your keys. And the switches we're going to be using today are the MMD Princess linear switches. Honestly, I'm very happy with the sound they produce. I'll be testing this base with other switches in the future for sure. The keycaps that I decided to use in this build I think honestly complements the base very well. They are purple translucent keycaps, and honestly with some backlighting I think they would look even more amazing. This build ended up being around 64 euros, what I think is a very good price for a custom keyboard. So this build can even go lower if you are lucky in getting some sales, but it can also be higher. So keep checking to see if you can get some good sales, and I'll leave all the links for the products down in the description like always. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!